Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS animated glowing button. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS animated glowing button. Inside the body we want to add a div and we want to type button. Save the file. Refresh. The button is visible now. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin is 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file. Refresh. The margin is okay now. Let's start to style our body. Display is flex and justify content is center. Align items center and height is 100 VH, width 100% and background color is #262626FF. Save the file. Refresh. The background color is right now. Let's start to style our div. Inside this, display is flex and justify content is center. Align items center and position is relative. Height 100 pixel and width 300 pixel and we want at font size that is 50 pixel and font weight is bold. Font family sans serif. Font color is white and border is 2 pixel solid deep pink and we want at border radius that is 50 pixel and we want at box shadow that is 1 pixel 40 pixel and color is black. Cursor is pointer. Save the file. Refresh. The button is okay now and we want to create div after. Inside this, content and position is absolute. Display block and we want at height 50 pixel, width 50 pixel and margin is auto and margin right is 75% and border radius is 50 pixel. Finally, background color is deep pink. Save the file. Refresh. The button looks good. Next, we want to create our hover effect. Div hover after. Inside this, we want to add animation. Animation name is anim. 1 second is in out and forwards. Let's create our animation. Keyframes and animation name is anim. Inside this 0%. Margin right is 50% and we want at height that is 80 pixel and width is 100 pixel. Z index is -1. Let's copy this 0% and paste it one time. This is 100% and this is 0%. 100 pixel and width is 300 pixel and we want to add a box shadow. 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color is deep pink. Copy this line and paste it one time. Save the file. Refresh. It's looking nice glowing effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.